What's up, El Segundo? I'm Natasha Gascon, and we are here at Fire Station 1, where our firefighters have opened their doors and invited the community in for their annual open house, complete with station tours, CPR classes, and hot dogs. Are you ready to go meet our heroes and learn some life-saving skills at the same time? I sure am. Let's go see what's up. The El Segundo Fire Department loves to invite the community to visit our local firefighters right where they live and work. Today, the fire department has combined two of their popular community events into one big block party on Main Street. Their Super CPR Saturday certification class and their annual open house.
So we used to have these as separate events, and we thought, well, let's combine the events since we're getting lots of people to both events, and then that way it's a benefit to the community of learning a skill and also seeing our fire department and our fire apparatus and meeting our firefighters. And it's just a great way for us to get involved with the community and let them kind of see what we do, and again, provide them with a life-saving skill that they can then use to help us out in the field.
They say the best things in life are free, and Cruz agrees, emphasizing that he is proud to offer these life-saving classes to our community free of charge.
I'd say now it's a lot less intimidating, and now like an AED and even giving chest compressions, it's just like it's just important to be there and be on the scene and doing the compressions. It can increase the chances of someone's life being saved significantly, and so everyone is asking questions and like really engaged. And I think again, the fact that they even do this class is awesome, and I would encourage everyone to sign up and go next year.
Once the morning class is wrapped up, things shifted into full open house mode. The grill fired up, bouncy houses were inflated, and the line to get in wrapped around the block.
Oh, I love giving station tours, especially to like the kids groups and the school groups, because it's something that everybody has like this mystical thought about what a fire station is inside, and it's really just our home. So bringing the public in, showing them kind of how we live and how we work is super fun to me. I just think it's super important that the community knows who their firefighters are and how we can help them, and maybe come here and give us some tips on what we need to be doing better, because we can always learn, and then just fellowship with our community, because typically we only see them on a call, which is definitely never a fun experience for the community. So a positive interaction with them is always great.
He loves fire trucks, as you can see, his shirt. So we're excited to join the community event.
Checking out the fire trucks, right? And checking out the fire fighters, that protect everyone, and getting a chance to, look around and check all this stuff out.
I think it's just a nice reminder, even if you don't interact with them, you're lucky enough not to have to interact with them, I guess, that they're here to keep us safe and protect us,
Yeah, exactly. I think we don't really think about them, unless you have to, unfortunately. So seeing how much they have going on here, and the CPR classes, we'll definitely be coming back to take a CPR class now that we know they offer that. And yeah, it's just great to see how much they do, and really lucky that they're here.
Yeah, I think we're all big fire department supporters. Of course, in California, we love our fire departments, and just what a nice day to come out and celebrate them and support. Yeah, they're selling really, really awesome merch that we were really happy to grab. Super fun.
It was so sweet to see all the kids and people in the community excited to come out and support, like all the little kids in their hats and the baby onesies. It's so cute, and I love that everyone's excited to support their local fire department.
El Segundo is just like such a great community, and every time they have events like this, it's just really fun to see all the families out, enjoying the community.
Well, that concludes an awesome open house here at the fire station. And just because it's over doesn't mean the community connection ends. If you see one of our local firefighters out and about, go on and say hi, thank you, and remember, They're always here for you. For El Segundo Media, I'm Natasha Gascon.